Krishna. Welcome to Vedic Nature.
Yeah.
We give you the best quality of product here and 100% pure quality of product. Just see it. We have vitamin C face serum. It's 100% pure product, and we give you the best quality. If you buy this one, you get this free. We have the moisturizer face. This one is moisturizer booster, and we have acne and anti-acne face wash with. We have creams. These are the itras, and these are the room fresheners. We have different type of room fresheners, and these all are natural. So don't worry, just apply it. And these are also the itras, and we have these are the serums and the face washes. We have here the creams. These are the anti-hair fall and the anti-acne, anti-dandruff shampoo. These are 100% natural. It's totally worth. Believe me. Okay. Starting price is 200 and the maximum price is 700. Thank you for visiting.